Her original qualifying wasn't.
Happy?
I was a little
Some 70 rounds a second. And on top of its training rounds that it can fire and high explosive rounds, it also can feature that of armor-piercing rounds. It's just the final evolution of throwing a rocket somewhere.
Being out with the young guns blazing, so you better not try. You'll never find another like me. I'm the last of my kind.
In the A-10 Thunderbolt 2. Major Johnson pulls back on the stick, sending the A-10 straight to the vertical, showcasing the Hawk's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Enabling it unparalleled controllability at slower speeds. Here we go, Stuart. From the left, Major Johnson and the mad roll. Major Johnson will demonstrate a slow roll on shoreline, displaying the Hawk's characteristics. As she rolls, you will see here the attack aircraft during the conference. Now, from the right, the slow roll. Major Johnson is now executing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban H. Twisting and turning over the battlefield, the Warthog can operate and deliver devastating firepower under a 1,000-foot ceiling, unmatched by any comparable fighter. Making the Warthog much harder to hear and aided in this ingenious and tactical surprise. Quickly and evade the air defenses. Major Johnson's not.
The second to last ever show. When the big guy games are coming out, today would like to dedicate this airship performance to all of the performers and pioneers who helped make it. It's so like good possible.
Don't push the today's joint fight and any wounded warriors and veterans in attendance today. We especially want to thank those who have given their lives in defense of this great country.
Thank you very much, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Very big round of applause for the United States Air Force Heritage Flight. Hey, here's what's going to happen, everybody. We're going to recover the A-10 Thunderbolt 2, and coming up next, we're going to be welcoming to our show that of the legendary aerobatic pilot Bill Stein, flying the Zimco Edge 540. We will